Good day, everyone. As I'm sitting here, I'm deeply, deeply disturbed with information that has come out of the war that the US is fighting with Israel against Iran, and what the people, the troops, the commanders, Pete Hegseth, and people like that believe is happening. And I will be doing a live stream at 12 o'clock this afternoon. So I hope you can join me so that I can tell you what is taking place, what these people believe, and why you should be extremely, extremely concerned as their delusion, their madness, their insanity is on full display. And I haven't been this disturbed, this shocked with the blatancy of this problem as I am now. And you will have to join me at 12 to see what comes out of my mouth. But at this stage, I'm deeply troubled. So I will see you at 12 o'clock. And then hopefully you can share that information far and wide. And it doesn't matter what your beliefs are now. You need to be deeply concerned with what these people are doing because of their beliefs. It's insanity. Thanks so much. See you at 12 o'clock. Look out for the link in Telegram and Facebook.